Welcome to the desert, a land of extremes where survival is a daily challenge. In this harsh environment, water is a precious commodity, often scarce and difficult to find. Yet, life persists. Some remarkable animals have adapted to thrive in these dry conditions. Today, we'll explore 10 incredible desert animals that can survive without water, or with very little, for astonishing lengths of time. Our journey begins with the enchanting Fenek Fox. This diminutive creature, no larger than a house cat, makes its home in the Sahara Desert, one of the most arid landscapes on Earth. Its most distinctive feature, its oversized ears, are not just for show. These remarkable appendages act like radiators, dissipating heat and helping the Fenek Fox maintain its body temperature in the scorching desert sun. The Fenek Fox has evolved to be incredibly efficient at conserving water. It gets most of its moisture from its food, insects, small rodents, and even birds' eggs, and can go for weeks without taking a single sip of water. Its thick fur, a pale sandy color that provides excellent camouflage against the dunes, also helps to insulate it from both the heat of the day and the chill of the desert night. The Fenek Fox is a master of survival in this extreme environment. It is a reminder that life finds a way, even in the most challenging of circumstances. Next, we venture into the realm of a true marvel of the desert, the Kangaroo Rat. This tiny rodent with its characteristic long hind legs and hopping gait is a master of water conservation. The kangaroo rat doesn't drink water at all. It survives solely on the moisture they extract from the seeds they consume. Their burrows, often dug deep into the cool sand beneath the desert surface, act as microclimates, trapping humidity and further reducing water loss. Inside these burrows, the kangaroo rat stores its bounty of seeds, ensuring a constant supply of moisture-rich food. The kangaroo rat's ability to thrive in an environment where water is virtually non-existent is a testament to the ingenious ways that life can adapt to even the most extreme conditions. It's a true marvel of evolution, showcasing the remarkable resilience of nature. Our journey takes us now to the slow and steady desert tortoise. These reptiles are masters of desert survival, equipped with an incredible adaptation, the ability to store water in their bladders for months on end. This remarkable feat allows them to endure long periods of drought, surviving on their internal water reserves when no other sources are available. During the most intense heat, they seek refuge underground, digging burrows that extend several feet below the surface. These burrows act as cool, humid shelters, protecting the tortoises from the scorching sun and minimizing water loss. Imagine the desert floor, baked dry by the relentless sun. Beneath the surface, in the cool darkness of its burrow, the desert tortoise rests, its body a reservoir of precious water, patiently waiting for the rains to return. The desert tortoise, with its ancient lineage and remarkable adaptations, stands as a symbol of resilience and endurance in the face of adversity. Now we turn our attention to the epitome of grace in the desert, the sand gazelle, also known as the Dorcas gazelle. This elegant creature, with its long, slender legs and large, expressive eyes, is a master of desert navigation and survival. The sand gazelle's ability to thrive in the arid desert landscape is a testament to its remarkable adaptations. Its body is finely tuned to conserve water, extracting every last drop of moisture from the plants it consumes. By constantly moving, it can cover vast distances in search of sparse vegetation and avoid becoming an easy target for predators. Its speed is its shield, allowing it to outrun danger and survive another day in the harsh desert. Picture the sand gazelle, a phantom of the dunes, its hooves barely touching the ground as it glides across the desert landscape. Its ability to survive in this challenging environment is a testament to the power of adaptation and the delicate balance of life in the desert. Our exploration of desert survival leads us now to the fascinating Jerboa, a small rodent with an extraordinary ability. Its most striking feature, its long, powerful hind legs, allows it to leap across the desert floor with astonishing speed and agility. These leaps, which can reach up to 6 feet in length, are not just a spectacle, they are a crucial survival tactic. The Jerboa is a master of stealth and efficiency. Its nocturnal habits allow it to avoid the scorching daytime temperatures, conserving precious energy and water. Under the cover of darkness, It emerges from its burrow to forage for seeds, its large eyes scanning the landscape for potential threats. Imagine the stillness of a desert night, the stars twinkling above. Suddenly, a small, shadowy figure leaps across the sand, its long tail trailing behind it like a banner. This is the Jerboa, a creature perfectly adapted to the rhythms and challenges of desert life. Our journey takes us now to the Namib Desert, one of the driest places on Earth, home to a creature that has mastered the art of survival in the most extreme conditions, the Namib desert beetle. This unassuming insect has developed an ingenious method for collecting water from the most unlikely of sources: fog. The Namib desert beetle's back is covered in a series of bumps, each one a carefully designed water trap. When the fog rolls in from the Atlantic Ocean, these bumps capture tiny water droplets which then coalesce and roll down the beetle's back towards its mouth. Imagine the barren landscape of the Namib desert, seemingly devoid of life. Then, as the fog rolls in, a transformation occurs. The Namib desert beetle emerges from its hiding place, its back tilted towards the sky, patiently collecting the life-giving moisture from the air. This incredible adaptation allows the Namib desert beetle to thrive in an environment where most other creatures would perish. Chapter 7. Adax Antelope, the white phantom of the Sahara. In the heart of the Sahara, we find the resilient Adax Antelope, also known as the white antelope. With its white coat and spiraled horns, it survives long periods without water. It extracts moisture from sparse vegetation. Its wide hooves and pale coat help it navigate and stay cool in the desert heat. A flash of white in the distance, the Adax Antelope, a true desert phantom. Our exploration of desert survival takes us now to a creature that seems to have been plucked from the pages of a fantasy novel, the Thorny Devil. This small lizard, with its fearsome-looking spines and remarkable camouflage, is a master of desert adaptation. The Thorny Devil's most striking feature is its spiky armor, which serves multiple purposes. These spines, while appearing menacing, are actually quite soft and serve to deter predators. But their most remarkable function is their ability to collect water. The Thorny Devil's skin is covered in a network of tiny grooves, which act like channels, directing water droplets towards its mouth. When it rains, or even when dew condenses on its body, the Thorny Devil can literally drink through its skin. Imagine the scorching heat of the Australian outback, the sun beating down on the red sand. Our journey through the world of desert survival brings us to the desert iguana, a creature perfectly adapted to harsh, arid environments. With its sturdy build and distinctive markings, it conserves water and thrives where others struggle. Feeding on succulent leaves and fruits, it meets its moisture needs from food. Tolerating high temperatures, it stays active in the heat, with efficient kidneys minimizing water loss. The desert iguana remains unfazed, perfectly adapted to its environment. Our final stop on this exploration of desert resilience takes us to the fascinating world of the Mircat. These highly social creatures, known for their upright posture and inquisitive nature, have developed a unique set of adaptations that allow them to thrive in the challenging environments of the Kalahari Desert. While meerkats do need to drink water regularly, they have evolved to obtain a significant portion of their moisture needs from their diet. Their primary food source, insects, provides them with a surprising amount of hydration. But the meerkat's survival in the desert extends beyond its diet. Their social structure plays a crucial role in their ability to cope with the harsh conditions. Living in groups, known as mobs, provides them with safety in numbers, with sentinels keeping watch for predators, while others forage for food. Imagine the vast expanse of the Kalahari Desert, the sun beating down on the red sand, and then emerging from their burrow a mob of meerkats, their small bodies casting long shadows across the dunes. These 10 desert animals, each with their own unique set of adaptations, showcase the incredible resilience of life and the extraordinary ways that nature finds a way to thrive in even the harshest of environments. From ingenious water conservation methods to specialized diets and remarkable physical adaptations, these creatures remind us of the power of evolution and the delicate balance of life on our planet. As we've journeyed from the scorching sands of the Sahara to the arid landscapes of the Australian outback, we've witnessed the remarkable diversity and adaptability of life. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of desert survival. We hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for the remarkable creatures that call these challenging environments home.